So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, Doctor, watching my eyes go away, Doctor, watching my eyes go away. Get your ski shined up, grab a stick of juicy fruit. The taste is gonna move ya. Take a sniff, pull it out. The taste is gonna move you when you pop it in your mouth. Juicy fruit is gonna move ya. It juices soft, it gets right to ya. Juicy fruit, the taste is gonna move ya.
So guys, talking about a blast from the past, man, just remind us Gen Xers about how old we are.
What do you mean, Patrick? Old people are the greatest. They're full of wisdom and experience.
Cause man, we are getting old. Yeah, I'm not gonna tell my age, but it is what it is. But anyways, guys, welcome back. YouTube family. But guys, we are back yet with another one, and today we are doing Jackfruit Wine. Now, obviously, you guys seen in the beginning why I picked this one, or why actually I picked that commercial that I put in the beginning, is because there has always been a mystery around what is the flavor of juicy fruit, and there have been a lot of questions asked to the Wrigley's Corporation of what flavors make up juicy fruit, and I wind up finding, I'll put it up, that they said it's possibly mango, banana, pineapple, and orange as part of the makeup as the juicy fruit flavor. But a lot of the original people still think that the original flavor was jackfruit. But anyways, enough about government conspiracies and all that other stuff. But today we are making a jackfruit wine, as you see, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this as usual, because you already know the deal. But today we will be using 1.5 pounds of jackfruit. We'll be using 2 pounds, well, not 2 pounds, I'm sorry, 1.5 pounds of white sugar, 8 ounces of cane sugar, raw cane sugar. We will be using 1 bag of black tea for our tannin. We'll be using 1 lemon wedge, 1/4 of a lemon wedge for our acid. And today's yeast of choice will be BM 4x4, not for any specific reason, but that's what we're using today for this. And also our 1 gallon of water sitting here in the back. And as of usual, we got our hydrometer and our graduated cylinder and pitcher, spoon, and the pot is on the stove. So as always, guys, let's go ahead and get into this process. guys, let's go ahead and talk about why are we adding the raw cane sugar. I picked this raw cane sugar to add a little flavor to our jackfruit, not nothing too much. I wanted to give it like, you know, a little island twang to it or whatever. So, you know, we're not going to get this from our refined sugar. You know, this is just for sweetness. But this raw cane sugar have that little tinge of sugar cane taste to it. So that's going to help bring out our jackfruit flavor even more. But that's why we're using the 8 ounces of the raw cane sugar. All right, guys, so now that we removed our tea, we're going to go ahead and add our jackfruit. But we're going to go ahead and smell this. And I had already smelled it before. But, guys, this smells just like juicy fruit. So, somebody is lying. Because maybe they might have jackfruit added into it. Because when you smell this, it smells just like juicy fruit. But anyway, let's go ahead and add it in. So, now that we got everything added in, we're going to go ahead and put our top on this, and we're going to allow this to go ahead and sit for a minute. We're going to let this cool down, and we're going to let this extract as much of this jackfruit as possible. So while it's cooling and extracting or whatever, till it cool down to pitching temp, like I said, roughly anywhere between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, around that point, we're going to come back to this, strain it, and put it up in our pitcher, and then top it up with water so we can go ahead and get our gravity reading. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so all we have to do now that we have gotten our reading and poured this into our carboy, let's go ahead and put in our yeast. And go ahead and add our bone. Not a lot. And yes, it's empty. I'm gonna go ahead and put some sanitizer up in it after I finish this. But basically, we are done. And as always, I want to say thank you, because guys, we hit 500 subscribers before the end of the year is over with. So I just want to say I really appreciate you guys and thank you for all of the support. And I just want to make 2024 a year of a banger. I had something to show you guys on this video, but I might show it on the next video. So I'll let you know what's going on. But anyway, guys, thank you for everything. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.